So I've purchased this food delivery rack from CubeRpedia at Tampines for $28. By the way, just so you know, CubeRpedia is one of the distributors that also sells JI Move LC. The food delivery rack measures 50 cm long and 40 cm wide. What's included is 2 pieces of metal plate, 4 screws, a spanner, and 8 cable ties. And of course, I believe everyone has their own way of securing this delivery rack, but this is the way that I find it most secure to mount. I would first put a piece of metal plate in the middle of the e-bike rack, after which we will put on the delivery mounting. Ensure to secure the delivery mounting by using the smaller outer hose of the e-bike rack. Technically, this is a third-party delivery mounting and it isn't compatible with JI Move's rack, hence the reason why you need to insert the metal plate to ensure all 4 screws are secured. I would suggest to secure the screws towards the outer corners of the hose so it doesn't get shaky. Once all 4 screws are in, cable tie the end of the e-bike rack onto the delivery mounting to ensure that it's extra secure. From there, you are ready to deliver to some hungry people. This short clip is from the last episode on the top right. Click to watch it or check out one of my most updated playlists that I've selected for you. Fellow riders, see you on the streets!